In the year 1921, a dark chapter unfolded in the streets of Belfast in Northern Ireland. It was a day etched in history as Belfast's Bloody Sunday. On this fateful day, tensions erupted, giving rise to a violent clash that would leave a lasting scar on the city. The events of that day would forever be etched in the memories of those who witnessed the chaos and devastation. The roots of Belfast's Bloody Sunday can be traced back to the deep-seated political and religious divisions that plagued Northern Ireland at the time. The city was a hotbed of sectarian tensions between the Protestant and Catholic communities, with each side fiercely defending their beliefs and territorial claims. On that ill-fated day, clashes between rival factions escalated into a full-blown riot, fueled by long-held grievances and animosity. Streets that were once bustling with life became a battleground, as rioters hurled stones, set buildings ablaze, and exchanged gunfire. The violence unleashed on Belfast's Bloody Sunday was swift and brutal. 20 lives were tragically cut short, their hopes and dreams extinguished in an instant. The toll of wounded numbered over 100, their lives forever marked by physical and emotional scars. The destruction was equally harrowing, with more than 200 homes reduced to ruins, leaving families homeless and shattered. The repercussions of Belfast's Bloody Sunday reverberated far beyond the city's borders. The events of that day exposed the deep-seated divisions within Northern Ireland, highlighting the urgent need for reconciliation and lasting peace. It served as a poignant reminder of the devastating consequences of sectarian strife and the urgent need for understanding and tolerance. In the aftermath of the tragedy, efforts were made to heal the wounds inflicted on Belfast. Political leaders, community members, and peacemakers came together, engaging in dialogue and peace-building initiatives. The hope for a future free from violence and strife became the driving force behind their endeavors. Belfast's Bloody Sunday left an indelible mark on the collective memory of Northern Ireland. It served as a catalyst for change, fueling the resolve to build a society rooted in inclusivity, respect, and shared values. The path to reconciliation would be long and arduous, but the echoes of that tragic day became a rallying cry for peace. Today, a solemn memorial stands as a testament to the lives lost on Belfast's Bloody Sunday. It serves as a reminder of the enduring struggle for peace and the importance of preserving the memory of those who perished. Through remembrance and continued efforts towards understanding, Belfast strives to create a future where the wounds of the past can finally heal. As the years pass, Belfast emerges as a city of resilience and hope. It stands as a testament to the power of communities coming together, overcoming the shadows of the past, and striving for a future where violence and division are but distant memories. Belfast's Bloody Sunday may forever be etched in history, but its legacy serves as a call to build a world where unity and peace prevail. Subscribe to my channel if you like these historical videos and click on the top left box for the story of the Falklands War.